What is going on, guys? LUDEDUDE back here again. And obviously you can tell it's Lude. Yep, it's Lude. I haven't seen her in a bit. So, yeah. Doing some work on her in the garage today. And you won't believe what kind of work I'm doing. Well, I think I'm gonna ditch these greens and do a black, but there's some sparkle in there, you know what I mean? Gotta keep the glow, like it. But I think I'm over the green, it's time to do black, so probably gonna do that. Anyway, today I am putting wind diffusers on. Check it out. Yes, wind diffusers. So, I'm mocking these up and measuring them out. So they look sick on here. And they are functional. So, they will help with drag. It'll suck the car down even more. So. And also give it some style. So, yeah. These are the carbon fiber lookalikes. And they look sick. They just make the car look more aggressive than what it is, so, but, yeah, super excited to put these on today. Like I said, I've been waiting for these for a while. I haven't told you guys about them, so, yeah, it's gonna look dope on this Prelude, so, yeah, that's what I'm doing today. My last day off. Yeah, and the price wasn't too bad either. So anything to help suck the car down even more. That's what I'm doing. And like you guys saw, tinted the windows. So got those taken care of. But yeah. And then here on my next day off, I'm going to take a metal wheel brush to those rims, and I'm going to bring them back to original, which was like these, like right here. So bring them back down and then do a black. So and I'm going to still have to do the trunk and the spoiler. So I gotta get that all sanded down and then do that, and the color I'm going with, that I have been going with, is this bronze. So I'm gonna match the hood with the trunk. So, and then eventually at some point I gotta respray paint, because I got tiger stripes like nobody's business, as you can see in my other videos. Yeah, there's some serious tiger stripes going on. So I'll get all that taken care of, but now it's the wind diffusers. And I'm just can't get enough of these things, man. They are awesome. So, and I've seen reviews of them, and they do actually serve a purpose. And like I said, they have a bit of flair. So, yeah. That's pretty much it for today. I'm using GoPro because my other camera, I had lost the SD card, so gotta find that. But, yeah, no problems with the Lude. Knock on wood. I did actually, a couple mornings ago on my way to work, there was a female doe laying on her side in the freeway, dead, and being lowered and all, not having very much clearance underneath. I ran over her like a soft speed bump. I'm sorry to say it, but she got it good. And see if I can't show you the remains of this dough. There's a bone and meat stuck in my catalytic converter, and then my exhaust hinges, so I had to jack the car up and then pull the meat and bones out. But that was not good. I should have tore something off and I didn't know. So let's see if I can do viewer discretion advised. So I can try to get this under here. Right about there is where the meat's hanging in the bone, so yeah, it's all over the place under here. But I gotta jack the car up and then get all that torn out. That's disgusting. So being lowered all the time is not necessarily a good thing. So that's going to be a challenge all in itself. Get all that out. So yeah, video doesn't do justice. You'd have to see it in person to see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I ran her over and then grated her up like cheese and spit her back out. So didn't feel too good about that, but the lude took it. So didn't tear anything off, luckily. But that's what happens when you leave at 5 o'clock in the morning and you're in a well-populated deer area. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. And if you hear all that noise in the background, that's because of these two. This is Miss JDM Attitude's rabbit. This is Lola. She's a long hair. She's a mixed breed between lop-ear and another kind, but she's a sweetheart. So, and then this is my boy Jinx. He's a good rabbit. I've had him for a couple of years, so I haven't introduced my rabbits. So, but every time I vlog out here, he likes to kick and get all excited. So, in my last video, you heard a bunch of noise in the background. This is because of him right here. Boys. But that's Jinx. He is a show rabbit, and he is a New Zealand short hair. So, yeah. I've had these rabbits for quite some time now. She's still trying to get trained. She's a good rabbit, but she's like a child. So, she doesn't bite or anything. She's just a little rambunctious all the time. But yeah, those are my rabbits, my pets. So, if you hear noise in the background, that's these two. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get back to installing these bad boys, and then getting this guiding tape off. And after that's all done, I'll come back at you guys and show you guys the finished product. So stay tuned.